We'll see how to get any web page in dark mode. Right now you can see this is in light mode, and to make dark mode, first thing is you come here, you see this three dot, click here. Once you click here, come to settings. This is where setting is. Click here, click on appearance, and here in mode you see right now it shows light. Once you make it dark, it has changed to dark. Then you see this theme, click here, and here you can see dark is applied. If not, you can just select dark. What we did so far will only make one particular web page dark. To make every single web page dark, come to this link, Chrome // flags. Once you enter, you come to this page and here just type dark. Once you type dark, you see auto dark mode for web content. Here from default, change to enabled and then click on relaunch. Now when you click on any tab, you see it opens as dark theme. I opened Google News page. See, this is again in dark theme, and any page you go and click, now it's all in dark theme.